Welcome to Rockmills, where quality and readiness come first. With a steel price increase on the horizon, we took action this winter by ramping up production in our state-of-the-art facility. The result? Over 100 boilers in stock, ranging from 30 to 300 horsepower, ready for immediate delivery to meet your needs. Whether you're upgrading your system or planning ahead, our inventory ensures you won't face delays. Don't wait for prices to rise. Contact us today and let's get started on your project.